Good evening, committee chair and committee members. My name is Jan Hauser. I am the wastewater division manager. I am here this evening to discuss the increase in the dollar amounts for two on-call pump and motor repair service contracts. Specifically, the recommendation is that the Public Works and Transportation Committee recommend that the City Council approve and authorize the mayor to execute the following for on-call pump and motor repair services for the Water and Wastewater Division. 1, a First Amendment to Trade Service Agreement 9547-22-PW with Powers Brothers Machinery Incorporated to increase the not-to-exceed amount from $100,000 to $450,000 and to extend the term to February 29th, 2024. And 2, a Second Amendment to Trade Service Agreement 9548-22-PW with All Safe Electric Incorporated to increase the not-to-exceed amount from $200,000 to $450,000 and to extend the term to February 29th, 2024. So both the water and wastewater divisions have many pumps throughout the system and their related motors. We have pumps at our sewer lift stations, throughout our wastewater treatment plant, at water blending stations, and at water and recycled water treatment facilities. We pump millions of gallons a day of all three types of water: potable water, wastewater, and recycled water. As a result, on-call pump and motor repair agreements were established and are required and necessary to address any pump and or motor maintenance needs that arise that are unanticipated. So on November 10th, 2021, the Purchasing Department released an RFP, PW 22-52, for pump and motor repair services. The solicitation closed on December 9th, 2021, and Power Brothers Machine Incorporated, otherwise known as Power Brothers, and All Safe Electric were selected and deemed to be the most qualified contractors to address our needs. So the services they provide include motor inspection, troubleshooting, wire winding and repair of motors, circuit breaker repair, machining of pump components, pump shaft repair, and balancing, among other things that may come up. So we are the ones, our staff remove the pumps and motors and get them over to these two companies if they need repairs. And then we reinstall them once the repairs are complete. So here's a couple pictures. This is the removal of a equalization-based pump at the wastewater treatment plant. You can see it's takes quite a few people, takes a large crane, large trucks. It's quite an operation to remove these pumps and reinstall them. Here's putting that pump on a flatbed truck to be transported to one of the companies in question. So the financial impact, again, Powers Brothers Machinery's contract will increase from $100,000 to $450,000. All Safe Electric will increase from $200,000 to $450,000. If we require their services, it's done on a task order basis. So we basically get a proposal for the work needed and then approve the repairs. And depending on what the repairs are, it either comes from Wastewater Operating Fund 621 or Water Operating Fund 601. Of course, this is just an estimate and it may change depending on actual need. That concludes my presentation. I'd be happy to take any questions.